Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how you can check your data usage in your Oppo smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your file manager app. This is the security app. Click on data usage and you can see here it is data saving is on right now, and click on network access. So from here you can check your network access by clicking on here. You can just remove Wi-Fi or mobile data access from this app. So here you can see your data usage. So here it is no SIM card here, so you can't be able to see. First you have to put SIM card, use internet, and it will be shown on here which app is using more data. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.